how to turn Facebook account to business page. So if you want to turn a Facebook account to a business page, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the bottom. Once you land on your profile page, as you can see, all of your timeline will be shown right here. And here you will find the edit option, right? You just need to simply go with the right side of that edit profile, which has that 3 dots section. Once you tap on the 3 dots, you will have all of these options right here. So you need to just simply go and make sure that your professional mode is turned on. You'll find the professional mode option right here under your manage section. Tap on turn on professional mode and tap on turn on, which will be in the bottom. What it will do is you can get paid for your content. You can see your contents inside, grow your audience, and be discovered with tagging. Simply tap on turn this on, which will be in the bottom. Once you've done that, you're going to have to change your audience or define your audience or learn about monetization tools and explore professional tools. Tap on next again. Go and select public. Tap on confirm. Tap on next again. And once you tap on next again, it will take it to your profile frame. Tap on skip, or you can also go with next. Tap on go to your professional dashboard. And once you have your professional dashboard, your account will be turned into a business page, or you will have a professional account with a dashboard. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.